So Elementor Pro is a real useful website builder for WordPress. WordPress is probably one of those commonly used platforms on the web. And it is a practical, useful platform to build a website on with lots of varieties of software options. One of the key factors of the WordPress platform options of site builders is a software package called Elementor. Elementor will allow you to build your website dynamically, allowing a scaling up of your website to meet your business needs. So the purpose of this video, and before I go any further, please like or subscribe to us, is to show you how to install Elementor, and is also an update on the video I've created on Elementor Free as a plugin. So you're going to see the differences between Elementor Free and Elementor Pro. I install it and I'll actually show you a journey through some of the differences in areas that will make a difference to your website. You also have the option to order from us the software, and we also install the software if that's required. So please follow through with this video, see what we have to offer, see what this software has to offer, and why we use Elementor on many of our websites. So in a previous video, I showed Elementor Free and how it was installed. However, I did point out that there was some value in adding the Pro version. Today I'm going to actually show you the installation process of the Pro version. So I'm going to get and upload the actual Pro file itself, the latest version available. So we go into here, here's your Pro, and I'm going to install it. So where does Elementor Pro come from? How do you access the file? Well, it's actually a relatively simple process. So whilst I activate the plugin, I'll just point out that Elementor Pro comes directly once you've logged in and registered. You can just download the file here, and it comes down as a zip file, which is actually quite useful. There are prices involved. It is not a free plugin. This is the Pro version. So what do you get it different within Elementor Pro? Here we have it installed. I did a video before showing what you might find in the kit library. Previously you saw the word Pro, letter Pro, actually featured on a number of these templates. And now you can see there is no Pro, that's all part of the setup, which is really useful for us because it makes it easier to install. There is a good variety of different software packages. You'll remember previously that when we clicked on here, we did not have the section to the right hand side here allowing us to apply the kit. We were able to look in the different responsive areas, but we didn't have that option there for start off, which was one of the slightly challenging aspects to it. Another aspect to it you might remember is when we looked at the area of the theme builder. This again had everything as a Pro application. So we have our single post here. We couldn't really edit it. We couldn't edit the single page, archive page, etc. But in this instance now we can actually go into our single post, and we can, when we open up the software package, create a post to go in here that can then be shared. So if I was to go into section there, we can even use AI should we wish to. So if I was to put in the say for example featured image, and I can then come to featured image here, look into the settings and add whatever image I wanted in there as the featured image in this particular instance. Now I actually don't need a featured image today, but you get the gist. It's relatively simple. We can publish it. We have the ability to make conditions, so it could be for all singular posts or a whole variety of different aspects, for example the categories, etc. So these are options that you've got. You can save and close, you can change conditions of display. So this is useful for many different aspects to it. We can look at history as well, etc. Within our page here we have a number of options as well. Now if you've installed a header and a footer within your theme builder, if you've added a builder within the theme, like a header and a footer within our theme builder, you will then have options to be able to change both the bottom and the top of the page, which you might have to use other plugins and pay extra for just to have that particular feature using Elementor, which isn't always advantageous. So folks, if you're looking at the whole dashboard option, what you can actually have within this setup, well worth looking at Elementor, ordering from us, and we can help you with installation should it required, and take you through some training on this and give you some recommendations as the best way of using Elementor Pro. Give us a like or a thumbs up, that would be great, and any comments are appreciated. Thank you.